time is filled with swift transition.
Come on, put your hands together, church. Come on.
Oh, not only unmoved can stand. Oh, build your hopes on things eternal. Oh, to God's unchanging hand. Come on and sing the second verse. Is that all right tonight, y'all? I said, is that all right tonight, y'all? All right. Oh, Lord. I remember Malcolm Mason Bell down in Smithdale, Mississippi.
Look out now, boy.
Every Sunday morning, he would sing this verse right here. He would say, trust in him that will not leave you. Whatsoever the years may bring. Y'all. Is that all right in here? Can I get a witness? Somebody put your hand together. It's all right. 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 Oh, you ought to hold to his hand. Oh, God's unchanging hand. You ought to hold to his hand. Oh, God's unchanging hand. You know, down in Mississippi, we didn't have no line of music back then. But you can hear the footsteps from a mile away. You can hear the saints praising God from a mile away. Come on, clap your hands and stomp your feet. Just clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let me tell you what you need to do tonight. This is what you ought to do. Hold on.